So that's the main centre there. Beach. Shops.
Hello.
Hello, boss.
Apa kabar?
Baik saja.
Saya baik juga.
Bagus. Oh, you want that? Good, really good. Bit more tourists over here. It'd be nice to be just able to look at a shop, say fine, and then left alone, I reckon. But that is the way it is. Oh. Look at that shop here. Hey, doggy.
Hi again.
Hello, boss.
Hello, boss.
I haven't been up this bit. Let's check it out. It's all the beach area. Billy's. By the sea. I don't know if that's his name or a suggestion. I like that volleyball, isn't it? Oh, you know what else they love? Signs. Everywhere you go in Bali. So this is a small one. Lovely signs. Oh, there's a lady there with fishing boats. Going out there tomorrow for the dolphins. Big one. Alright. So this is where you come in. We're heading up to the Frangipani where I'm staying, which is a good 500 metres. Beautiful day. It's about 30 degrees. I'm guessing.
Hello.
Halo. Apa kabar?
Bagus, apa kabar?
Baik-baik saja.
Baik-baik saja.
I think I went around the back here. I don't know what that is. Yeah, so this is just here. Everyone's got taken before in a bit minutes. Put the footy on in a bar right there, we'll be back to what supplies. Not feeling confident, I don't know why, I think now we might want to crack. Chickens! I love you, chicken! These viewers have been good. So, I'm not sure. And on the back of the room, so you're probably going to have money or something. Ooh, ducks. All right. The ducks are good for that. Right here, bit of everything. Few shops. Yeah, try sitting like, hello. Try sitting like that for a minute. Oh, the doggy's sleeping. Hello, nice girl. Hello. These little rest areas. Pretty cool. There you go, beanie, another chicken, a baby chicken. Hello again. Oh, I haven't even thought about it, to be honest, but maybe another. I'll be coming back and forth today. Oh, shit, that's so cool. The dog's got the idea. So it's beautiful here. The beach is lovely. Black sand, but no rocks. I'd say it's even better than Lipa Beach. Well, Lipa Beach is nice. I still love Ahmed's still my favourite. Oh, chickens! Oh, hello. Oh, hello, what are you doing? There's little chicken pigs up there. I don't know what they are. Someone tell me what they are. Here's my chickens again. I filmed these before, I don't want to scare you. So cute. Haven't moved. I really want to get over. Can't get over the wall. Alright, so little boats in here. Alright. Little boats. Oh, 9 minutes. Hello. These kids were fishing before, so we're nearly coming out of this, I guess, underdeveloped bit, I guess. We'll just, it's over the back there.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Right. This is a jogging track, I can feel. Jesus. Oh. Another volleyball court. Love that volleyball. It's going to be coming more into where the hotel is. It's a volleyball. It's open. Look at that. Beautiful. Just realised I should have turned this camera around. Look at the bar across the bar. Alright. Kuni Bali. Lorong. All this kites. Yeah, very little rubbish on the beach when you look at them. Hardly anything else. Probably as much as you'd find. One hasn't it?
100.
No, thank you.
Nice party.
100?
Yeah.
Maybe. There's no hotel. So I haven't been up there yet. So, 12 minutes, there you go. Not bad, huh? There's some more hotel. Look over there. Go check in. Nice pool. Eating area. I think it includes breakfast, about $70 a night. It's small.